Commercial customers really need to ensure that it's going to work for their business. So we take the time to sit down with them, and it might be a matter of 3 or 4 meetings, to sit down with them, make sure that we're catering for their requirements. We make sure that we optimise the roof area to make sure we fit enough panels up to cater for what they're looking for. An important part of their business is being able to track what's happening with the power that they're generating, and we supply the systems that give them the ability to monitor the system. In some of the cases we're monitoring panel by panel, so it can show them if there's a panel failure. There is some environmental factor there as well. There's a lot of people now very conscious of doing the right thing for the environment, but some of these guys are chewing massive amounts of power, and considering most businesses are a 9 to 5 type business, solar is absolutely perfect for them because daylight hours, we're producing, in some cases we'll position panels so that we're getting a morning hit, and then we're getting that lunchtime or afternoon hit as well. So it's again making sure that we are helping them to reduce their energy costs and then make their business more profitable. Your people in business are there for the long haul. If you put good quality product in, then it's going to be there for the long haul as well. I think people in business understand the quality issues. They're buying machinery or selling machinery, they've got tools of the trade, and they know the effects of buying cheap product. If you're buying cheap product and it's not operating, then your business is basically on hold until you can get that fixed. So they understand that having good quality product that's got good support, good service, they're paramount to the investment that they're making. A lot of people in business are good with their forward planning. So if you sit down to design a system, you can actually say to them, well, what are your intentions as far as machinery goes? Is there going to be more machinery put in at a later stage? What are you looking at doing? Is there expansion? So you can talk to them about future-proofing to a degree, future-proofing their system.